Hey, and welcome to another video. So this video is probably gonna go in my classic tech playlist, a playlist full of older technology like phones and iPods and stuff. What we have here is the HTC Hero 100, the follow-up phone to the HTC Dream, which is the world's first Android phone, which I have here. By the way, there's a long due video on this that I'm still working on. But I just keep getting newer parcels of like stuff I bought on eBay, and I keep forgetting about this. But I will eventually do a video on this because this one works, and there's a really nice story behind this one. It's a pretty rare phone, by the way. This is also super rare. This was the only one on eBay at the time that was one from the UK, but that was at like £600 or something. But they're really unreasonably priced. Well, you can't call them unreasonable. They're collector's items now, so they're expensive. So this one is probably the most decently priced one on eBay. The original listing I shall show you right now. I'm gonna just show it to you on my phone so I don't have to edit it in. So there we are, $9.95. That's the original listing. HTC Hero 100. It's pretty banged up, but it still works, like they said here. Tested scroll ball with this, so it also has the scroll ball like thing. So it's tested and it's in good working order. It's just banged up quite a lot, that's all. So a few fun facts about this phone. This is the first HTC phone to have a headphone jack, first HTC Android phone to have a headphone jack, because as you can see, this has no headphone jack. It used this mini micro USB connector with a proprietary pair of headphones, but this has a headphone jack. And this had a base stock Android experience, just base Android, was it 1.5? Yeah, Android 1.5. But this was the first Android phone with with HTC Sense's UI. So the first HTC phone with the Sense UI, which they're known for. And it had something else as well. I can't remember. There was something. I think it was GLONASS or something. I can't remember. But yeah. But also don't forget to hit the like button on this video. It helps me out a lot. So just go ahead and hit the like button. And if you like what you see, please consider subscribing. And yeah. So let's have a quick look at this phone. I will be doing follow-up videos on this, obviously, but that will take time. See if there's anything else in here. Nope. So it's just the phone, nicely packaged. I got a lot of packages to this, so I had to actually check from where it was shipping to see which one is which. I think this has a steel. Yeah, I think it has a metal frame. Yeah, the frame's metal, the back's plastic, so it's pretty dirty. I can say that. Let's compare these two. So it's this one doesn't say HTC anywhere, by the way. Though it's made by HTC, it does not say HTC anywhere, as I've seen. I think under the battery cover it says HTC, but this was a T-Mobile partnership, so I think this was only available on T-Mobile. So as you can see, there's a lot of similarities. They both have like a chin kind of design, but this has a sliding keyboard and this doesn't. Let's go to the back. This one has a flat back, while the curve kind of continues. Same type of connector, but where's the headphone jack? Oh, there we are. That's the headphone jack. This has a 5 megapixel camera. This has a 3.15. Similar processors. This has a slightly updated, what was it, Qualcomm or something else? I can't remember, but slightly updated processor. A bit more of RAM. This has 128 megs of RAM. This has 256 megs of RAM. I think back then that was the RAM that was necessary. Not that much RAM, but for the time it was more than enough. So another fun fact is, well, not fun fact, I guess. Another cool thing about these phones is the battery, I'm assuming, is probably the same. So this one doesn't have a battery, so I'll take this one's battery out. Oh boy, it's pretty hard to get off. The thing with these phones is that they're pretty expensive now when it comes to like purchasing collector's items like this. This one I got pretty lucky. This one was around $35. Someone was selling it, probably didn't know exactly how much it was worth and stuff. So this one was pretty hard. I'll just get the battery off first. It's pretty hard to take this off. I'll get to that and be right back. Okay, so we have the battery back off. I think I've never taken this off. we have the original battery. Hopefully the battery is the same. Let's see. So does it say HTC anywhere here? Nope. So this has absolutely no HTC branding, which is strange. I mean, you would assume they'd put their branding somewhere, but I guess they didn't. But that's definitely an HTC phone. It's HTC. It's, oh boy, is that an, oh boy, it's an old SIM card. The classic, the full size SIM cards. I think the batteries aren't the same. Nope. Oh no. So I kind of assumed that the batteries would be the same, but they're not. So that's kind of a bummer, but this is a working phone anyway, so that's it for this video. I guess it's just an introduction video, and I'll probably try using this phone after getting a battery for it. I'll upload that video in time to come. So until then, please stay tuned, subscribe, like, whatever. Check out my channel. If you like what you see, please consider subscribing and leave a like on this video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thumbs up.